Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to talk about a principle that is called tell, don't ask. This principle tells us to put the data and the behavior together into a class so we can operate on the data into a class to reach the result that we want. Like in procedural programming that we kind of work with it is about gathering the information and decide what to do with that information to reach a result. But it's different in this principle. It's kind of like encapsulation, but it tells us to put the data and the behavior into the class so the behavior can operate on the data to reach a result. I'm going to give you an example in two different files, before and after. Before using the principle and after using the principle, so it can be more understandable. So I open my before file to give you an example. My example is going to be an order model that contains the price and a controller that want update this price. So we're going to work on this example. I have a class called order that has the order attribute, and we have a behavior here, or like accessor, sorry, this is an accessor, get order total price. So this example is before using the principle, and this method returns the total price of the order. We can access the order by this and total price. Okay, and we also have a controller that wants to update the total price. I have an order controller here, and it has a method called public function update order price. It has two arguments called order ID and the new price that is in float. We have our price. So we find the order by that order ID using the order model. So I have our user order here, and I use the order class to find the order by order ID, and I get the total price here, order total price, and I have this user order, and I get order total price that I have here, just like that. I add the price to the order total price that we had here. So I define a new variable called new order total price. It contains the order total price plus the price. So we have the new order total price, and I update this by user order, the order attribute we can call the total price, and we assign this new order total price to it, and we finally save the user order save. So it's about before using the principle. You see that we gather the information, we calculate them, and we just save this. That's it. It's about before, and it's kind of ugly, and it's not following this principle. So I give you the example after. I just copy this example here and put it in the after folder, and we want to refactor this. So as I said to you, we have to put the behavior and the data together. So I add a behavior here, public function, and I say that add new price to total price, total order price. This is our behavior, and it has argument called price, and it's float price. So what does it do? You just get the order total price plus, and I assign it with new price. So we plus the price with the total price that it has, and it contains the new price. And we can just return, or we can return it if we want to have the new price of the order. So order total price. And here, instead of calculating the prices, here we can just easily tell the object that do it for us. User order, and that's it. Add new price with this price. You see, before and after using the principle, everything is different, and we have the encapsulation as our code is more clean as well. So before using it, we had the information, we gathered all the information, and we calculate them, and we pass them to the object. But after using the principle, we just get the price, and we pass it to that method, the behavior, and the behavior knows, and it has data and operate on that, and it know what to do. So it's much better. Yes, definitely consider using this principle in your code if you didn't know. So that's it. I hope you see you soon in the next video. Peace.